Welcome to Cup Club, an innovative online learning platform designed to give every child access to quality learning, no matter the background. It offers a complete CAPS-aligned curriculum for grades 4 to 7, with lessons incorporating videos, audio stories, visuals, reading passages, and guided activities, ensuring that every learner can engage in a way that matches how they learn best. Built around concepts of critical thinking, creativity, and hands-on experiences, Cup Club is redefining what education looks like in South African primary schools, not only aiming to improve classroom learning, but to change lives. Itsembelisa Primary School in Soweto has been the first spark of a much brighter future, reporting they have experienced an absenteeism drop of 90% as learners look forward to coming to school. Focus and attention soared and led to a 20% average improvement in results per learner. And teachers have reported it has significantly reduced lesson planning time and marking load. The vision is to give every child in South Africa the chance to learn, think, and dream boldly. With each new school integrated, we move one step closer to a future where every child, no matter the background, has access to education that empowers, inspires, and prepares them for the world ahead.